Welcome to another video. So, Augment Code has just dropped something that's honestly pretty cool for anyone who's serious about coding with AI. The brand new Auggie CLI. If you remember Augment Code from before, you know it was already kind of wild with its agentic IDE and that insanely good context engine. Well, now they've taken all that power and put it straight into your terminal, so you can get those deep codebase insights, automation, and agentic workflows anywhere you work. Not just inside an IDE Augment have really nailed the developer experience here. The best part? Auggie CLI is now available to everyone, and it's packed with features that genuinely level up your workflow. Now, let me show you how you can use it, and as we proceed, I'll also tell you what makes it quite a bit different from other CLI tools you might have tried, like Claude Code or Gemini CLI. First up, installation is super simple. You just need Node.js 22 or higher, and then you can install Auggie globally with a single npm command. npm install -g at augmentcode/Auggie. That's it. Takes less than a minute. Once installed, just run Auggie in your terminal, and you're off to the races. You'll be prompted to log into your Augment account, and from there, you get access to everything the CLI has to offer. It's compatible across macOS, Windows WSL, and Linux, and works with all the modern shells like ZSH, Bash, and Fish, which is pretty awesome. So, what's actually happening under the hood? Auggie leverages Augment's industry-leading context engine to automatically index your workspace, whether you're in a Git repo or just a regular directory. You can even specify a custom directory to index with the -- workspace root flag. This means Auggie has a full view of your code base, your project's architecture, dependencies, and even your coding patterns. That's what lets it deliver those super tailored suggestions and answers. Plus, you have complete control over what gets indexed using .gitignore and .augmentinyor files, so privacy and security are totally covered. Let's talk features. First, you get agentic coding right in your terminal. Auggie can analyze code, make edits, run shell commands, and automate complex workflows, all with simple prompts. You can run it in interactive mode for that full screen, real-time experience, or use non-interactive modes like --print and --quiet for automation and CI/CD pipelines. It's scriptable, composable, and CI/CD ready, which is kinda cool. You can pipe data into Auggie, use it in shell scripts, and even integrate it with GitHub Actions and pretty much anywhere Node can run. One thing that's super handy is the prompt enhancer. You just type your prompt, hit Ctrl+P, and Auggie automatically expands it with relevant context, file references, and project conventions. So even if you start with a simple idea, you'll end up with a fully detailed, actionable prompt that really gets the job done. This saves you a ton of time and makes your requests way more precise. Then there's the task manager. If you're tackling something big, just type /task, and you'll get a dedicated interface to break down your work into manageable steps. You can add, edit, delete, and check off tasks, and even organize them hierarchically with subtasks. The agent can automatically create task lists for you, update their status as it works, and keep everything persistent across sessions. This is perfect for multi-step workflows like refactoring, building new features, or investigating bugs. Auggie CLI also supports custom / commands. You can create reusable prompts as markdown files and store them either globally, augment commands, or per project. These commands can be as simple or complex as you want, and you can pass arguments dynamically. There's support for namespacing, so you can organize commands by category, and it's fully compatible with Claude Code command libraries too. Just type / in the CLI to see all available commands, or use Auggie command list to get a rundown. Security and compliance are also baked in. Auggie's tool permission system lets you control exactly what actions the agent can perform. You can set up granular rules in settings.json to allow, deny, or require user approval for specific tools or shell commands. This is especially useful for production environments, sensitive code bases, and automated workflows. There's support for event-based permissions, webhook validation, and even script-based custom policies, which is quite awesome. Integrations are another strong point. Auggie natively connects with GitHub, Linear, Notion, Supabase, and more. You can automate code reviews, PR descriptions, issue triage, and exception management directly from the CLI, and it's all ready to go with built-in GitHub Actions support. Plus, you can expand its capabilities even further using Model Context Protocol servers to hook into external tools and data sources. And now comes the best part. Auggie CLI is designed to work everywhere. Whether you're coding locally, running scripts on a server, or deploying in the cloud, you get the same powerful agentic features and deep codebase intelligence. It's perfect for teams, solo devs, and anyone who wants to ship software faster and smarter. To sum it up, Auggie CLI is more than just another terminal tool. It's a full-blown AI coding agent that can read, analyze, edit, and automate your codebase with context-aware intelligence. The workflow automation, custom commands, prompt enhancer, task manager, and security controls make it a must-have for modern development. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.